Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing on this fine Wednesday morning? Welcome to the Zen Zone. Pause the noise. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, let you know when we go live in this channel. In this channel, we'll look for stock and try to capitalize on them. Okay, Monday through Friday. Tuesdays and Thursday, we go ahead and we dig into the momentum penny stocks if that's something you like to do. Again, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when we go live on those dates. Welcome to the Zen Zone. Pause the noise. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Let's get into it. Microsoft. Stock picks of the day was Microsoft. Mhm. Procter and Gamble, PG. And if you're part of the Discord, you'll get that alert off the stock pick of the day, because that's what we do. Meta, all got earnings today. Meta, Microsoft, Procter and Gamble. So these are our stock pick of the day. Looking good on Microsoft getting up here. 396. Could have got a 65 cents on this break here. Could have got 65 cents on this break here. What's going on, Megaton? MU, MU for the win. Yeah, I got caught up in some things, so I wanted to get in. I wanted to get in at 394.35, but let me get some of this MU out of here and take some profit off that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing on this fine? We're gonna have to test it up here, right? See if we have that continuation through there. There's some resistance here too as well. 396 on that Microsoft. We gotta watch that there. CVNA. Yeah, nothing on it right now. I wouldn't do nothing. 66.30 and over the top are 68, right? 68.16. It's in a channel now, so I wouldn't do anything now. We need some volume to come in here. to push out or push down on this here, right? We'll break down, we'll get back to where the low was here this morning here, right? I would have to watch the SPY at 736.20 on the upside. I want the VWAP to come up that maybe push the market down. Yeah, we got to get over here for sure. We got Meta coming up. Just gotta wait. Wait. Patient is the key here on this here. Let's go to Meta. Meta for the win on that too. So we did good this morning here. We got some trouble inside here. Meta for the win. We could finish with Meta here. And then we could take a trade here. See if we could get this 593.40 on Meta to the upside, right? Our stop loss will be here, right? 589.43. Let's see what that could do. We need some PG. PG is looking Procter and Gamble looking retest, right? Watch Procter and Gamble. Z. Nice bounce of VWAP on Z. 33.90. That was a nice breakout over yesterday's high. For sure. Retested, boom, 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 and then came back, consolidate, and then break out over that level there. 33.91, 34. That's a good move right there for sure. 34.36. You got into this already, bud? Mm, I'll watch that. It's coming back down here. How you guys are doing, man? How you guys are doing on this Wednesday afternoon? Mm-mm. Pulling back down here. I need some volume in the market right now. Mm-hmm. Over 68 on Carvana. Yeah. Watch that breakout over that. Yeah. Retest the 70 RSI for sure. For sure, you could watch that. I'll halt it on this one, yeah. NCRA. Yes, sir. If you guys are into these type of stock here, some more volume to get us up here. Last time it was at this level here was on when? 716 last week sometime. So I would want to see it back up here, right? 94. Get to 94, right? Target would be 94 on that. 92.30. Yeah, right here. For sure, man. You know, we need volume to get us back up there to break through that, buddy. For sure, 92. Breakout, come back down. Keep this on your watch list at AMIX. NCRA. There you go, guys. Coming up. Having trouble here. Boom, boom, right? Spike. Having some trouble on that. Watch that. Pressure on the market. Let's check the SPY out. Pressure on the SPY to the downside, right? If anybody was around when we were talking the 750 on the SPY, we just catch it a little bit higher. But that 750 down, man, right? The next one we want to see for the SPY, can we break on the 700, right? 700 to 650. So kind of trading in between that 700 and 750 range. And on any given day, you could get 5 points out of the SPY, up or down. I mean, that's what I'm accustomed to do. Right now, we holding it. We holding that SPY to the downside right now. The same thing with SpaceX. The same thing with SpaceX, right? If you remember, we were talking about it on the 150, was almost 9 points. I didn't get it at 150, but when I came back to it, I got it at 141. So we're still going down. I want to see underneath 100 on SpaceX. So we're down here now on SpaceX. So we 30 plus points in the money there on SpaceX. I want to see it breaks on the 100. 100 on SpaceX. Did I have it marked yet? No, let's mark it. So this is where we want to see SpaceX to break on the 100. We're not far. We're not far. We got about 12 more points to come down. We come to 107. So if we're going to break, I want to see a break here to 107. Give us another 3 points, right? 5 points. 5 points here to 107. 112 for sure. Looking. So keep that on your radar on SpaceX. Yesterday high was 118.13. So if I'm gonna make a play on SpaceX, I would want to see it come through the VWAP here, right? Through this zone here, make a play anywhere up here towards this resistance level 116.70 target. That's how I would play that if I wasn't in it short already. Mm. I remember when this stock first came out, man. Wow, look at it now. TAL. This was fun on this stock here. $11. $11. Yeah, would have to break over $11. 1075. I need more out of it than that. Yeah, that's what you're gonna get. I need more volume in this here to make it. This stuff I would scalp. It's just not there for me. I wouldn't mess with this right now. Buy and hold. I just, nah. I'd rather play the SPY. TAL. I would rather play the SPY. SPY breaking on the low. These are the number on the SPY. 600, 650, 750. 700 is the next one. 733.80. VWAP to the upside here on SPY. If we make a consolidate, go sideways, break, boom, bam, down. You just got to be patient with this market now. So we may just hold this position for the next 2 hours or 3 hours. It's already 11:30, and we're not doing much in the market. We need some news or something like that. Matter of fact, let me go get a cup of coffee, and I'll be right back. If you guys see anything, just put it in the chat. We need Microsoft down towards the VWAP here. Can we get it? We'll stop out here on Microsoft. We need to see some pressure on Microsoft here. Big support level here on Microsoft. We need a breakdown on that. All right, it's testing it all right, buddy. Let me go get some coffee. Got resistance up there, buddy. Hmm. Come on, Meta, let's go. Watch the SPY at 733.80 on the SPY to the downside here. We're looking good on Microsoft there. Come on, Microsoft. Can we get that breakdown on Microsoft? We need that break on Microsoft towards the VWAP here. We need that break. We need to get down on the low here. Come on, pressure on the market. Let's go. Pressure on the SPY. Let's go. Come on. RCL.
You've got to work harder for it to commit more, take more responsibility, but to deal with more ups and downs. How much you want to sell.
Choppy on our Oracle to the downside. What, man?
That's what there. Big people to work on. Take more responsibility. You have to deal with more yeah.
Now, service now. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah. 114.40. That was a move, a breakout move over there. Pushing, pushing, pushing on Oracle. Microsoft don't want to break down, man. That bounce there on Microsoft. I like it down, coming back down to the VWAP on service now. Yeah, she broke slowly though. Not yet. I'm not interested in Oracle yet. I want to see it 118.25, I'll say, or coming up to the VWAP. I'll play on it on the VWAP. I would look for a play. Microsoft don't want to come down. You just got to be patient with the market. Meta slowly break down. EOSC, Energy Enterprise, 52 weeks low. Retest yesterday. Boom, down low. $3.20.
Kayak told me hotel prices just dropped. Now we can finally stop scrolling for travel hacks.
Keep an eye on LRCX at 254.25. Ain't nothing going on in the market right now, guys. We know pressure is on the market. So you could watch for the SPY break. It's already started. Break. We'll talk about that level. Service now testing that level. Megathon. Metal for the win, guys. Good job on anybody that took that meta trade. Good job on anybody that took that meta trade, man. Awesome. We need Microsoft to break on this level here, right? 394.40. SPY broke. We need more downside here. Watch Microsoft. Watch Microsoft. Watch MU down here at 770. You could always take another partial, right? Uh, 52 weeks low on this EOSC. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live on this channel. Tomorrow morning, we do come in and do momentum stock. There go the SPY broke low. 733. That's where we at now. SPY. Come on. So let's make that push to the downside here. Come on. Come on, SPY. Let's go, baby. Push this market down. Microsoft don't want to come down at the moment.
You've got to pay a price to invest. Look, you've got to pay a price to.
Come on, SPY. Let's go, baby. Woo! Microsoft, let's go. You know what it is. Patience, man. This game is called patience. Gotta be patient enough for this thing, man. Come on. Procter and Gamble. I want to see Procter and Gamble through VWAP. Microsoft not giving it up. It's trying not to. Microsoft is not trying to. MU.
This is why people say Chinese people
You've looked at that, right?
Basically, guys, LeBron James is coming to Philadelphia. Mexico. I tried to tell y'all.
2-year, $8 million deal, player option for the second year with the Philadelphia.
Come on down, baby. Come on down. Somebody look at path. Hmm. Wow, look at path. Big volume bar there on path. PATH. All right, come on, Microsoft. Let's go, baby. Service now, bud. Service now. Uh,
Do my best to buy products with recyclable packaging, but I still have leftover trash I have to put in my recycling bin. So I use zero waste boxes.
Come on, Microsoft. Let's go, baby. Watch PG at VWAP. I want to see Procter and Gamble at VWAP. Netflix. What's Netflix is doing? Netflix is having some hard time in this area here. Need to go to pre-market high, right?
Nothing good ever ends.
There's some resistance inside here.
The ultimate with
Already break that.
plus apomorphine to spark desire and oxytocin.
I want to see what it does here.
Because the difference between almost and unforgettable is everything. Blue Chew Gold, never almost.
72.90 on that. 72.90. I want to see what it does there. 72.90. What you looking at on Netflix? We got problem inside here. There's a lot of selling pressure inside here. I would ride this to the downside right now. Microsoft was waiting here, see if we could get that VWAP break there. Let's see if we could get that continuation down there.
The real battle is psychological.
Come on, VWAP break, let's go. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, guys.
People get up every day and do the same thing. Don't tell they gonna change their life.
Last trading day of July, guys. Happy hump day. Let's see if Procter and Gamble could go down. Spy, let's watch it, bud. SPY, we here. Let's come on down.
Don't tell they gonna change their life one day. They change. You know, people get up every day and do the same thing. Everything that I want, I can manage. Ain't nobody's probably but me.
What have you learned about how to deal with or become fear? No. What have you learned about how to
Come on, Spy. Let's see what the Spy could do. Z. 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 We got to break back on a 33.91 on Z. See what that does.
You've got to pay a price to it.
We need that breakdown, bud. We need that breakdown. We need that breakdown. Come on, Spy. 7:30 on Spy. MU already break down, so we're looking good on that. We're looking good on Meta. Looking for support off the 30. We need Microsoft. Break that VWAP. Need Microsoft to break that VWAP. Ooh. Mm. I want to see KL. KL at. Keep an eye on this stock here. KLAC. Put it on your watch list. We inside this channel here. $36 on the MPH.
When you do 2/3, are you supposed to come all the way up to the top?
Yeah, you gotta go above the. Slow day, guys. Slow day. Sometimes it's like that. Ain't that right, Megaton? And it's like that, Megaton. Slower. MPH. You gotta be patient with the market there. Let's see what's going on with this guy, Chewy. Chewy. I remember when Chewy first, nice bounce off the VWAP there. Boom, bam, bam. We had pre-market high, right? There's some resistance up here. What you looking at it, Megathon? Some volume to push it higher. Target 23.20, 20 cents, 15 cents.
Professional hosting online. WordPress.com.
Market. What's the market is doing now? Let's look at MU. We could come out of MU. We're done with MU. We could have got that bounce. Let's see what MU do here. $780. Microsoft. Watch MU. All right, 396 on Microsoft. Watch MU. Let's see what Microsoft does now.
What is this? What the other side? What the other side? No, what about the other side? No. I thought it was 9 by 9. How busy is that?
Let's see. SPY pushing up. SPY pushing up. Microsoft and Meta. We could take a scalp on those. Oh yeah. Let me go in here. Just remember, we may have a resistance here. Scalp it coming through here. We should have got it through this level here, through the VWAP. We may be a little bit behind the ball here. We could watch Microsoft though. 396 on Microsoft. What you doing with Netflix? Oh, Netflix broke. Yep. Good job, bud. Target. Anything above here, you're good on Netflix. Chewy. We give it to them, Megaton. We give it to them. Still having trouble here on Chewy. But you know, everything over top here, she's good. And anything below towards the VWAP, we good too. Z. Yeah, we're struggling up at the top here. Nothing there. I want to see Meta get through that level there. JetBlue, GBLU. JetBlue, what's going on in JetBlue? VWAP on JetBlue? About 15 cents here. I need more volume than that. 15 cents towards $6. Anything over $6, you want to wait for $6. 20 cents. That's what you're looking for there. JetBlue. Yeah, we need that. We need that on Microsoft for sure. We need Microsoft to add up here. For sure, we need that break. Anywhere inside this zone here, we good. Come on, Microsoft. 4 cents to go. 4 cents to go. SPY. SPY off the bottom here. Nice on SPY. Come on. Let's see if we could get a little run just for a little bit. We don't need a lot. The market don't gotta go much for us to get in some. Come on, Meta. Let's go. Meta would be my big ticket one right here, right now. Intel. Let's look at Intel. Let's look at Intel. I'm gonna have to wait for 84.70 on Intel here. This resistance level here. $84.70 long. 30 cents. Looking for 30 cents. 86, right? Then we got another resistance up here, 87.50. 65 up here, right? I would have to see something come up inside here. Scalp it anywhere inside here. Breakthrough. This is a 30-cent move right here. Profit window and outside here, boom. Meta and Microsoft is having a hard time. You're welcome. I need that bounce off this VWAP here. Come on, clear this out. This is where I want to see. There's selling pressure here, as you could see. Selling pressure there for at 396 for Microsoft. 391.50 on Meta. Selling pressure there. Let's keep eye on Procter and Gamble though.
Yes. Yeah. The thing with Dixie's got great deals to save the day. Smart filters help me find the perfect hotel room.
We'll see. Come on, Procter and Gamble. Slow. Slow on Procter and Gamble here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, guys. Let you know when we go live on this channel here. Welcome to the Zen Zone. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Slow market, but you know, we here. We here. Trying to get every little piece that we can out of it. Come on, Meta. Let's go. Rejection at the SPY, 733.80 rejection on the SPY. MU, rejection at 778.80 on MU. Micron. Come on, PG. Slow market. Slow market. You know what we haven't looked at is Tesla. What's going on with Tesla and oh, Tesla is untradeable today. Let's scalp that real quick, right? I would scalp this real quick. Target. Mm. Microsoft couldn't do it. Meta looking good, guys. So Microsoft, pressure on Microsoft here on Microsoft. All right. I'll do it again if it's coming back up, but Microsoft, we like Meta. Come on, Meta, close it. Procter and Gamble slow. I like MU coming up here. If MU could break this level here, we'll take advantage of that on MU. SPX? Oh man, we're crushing SPX. Oh, nice to the VWAP. I'm 30 points into the short side on XPX. You could trade it every day. That's just my thing. I wanted to get it at 150. I'm 9 points out of it, but we got it at 141. I did have Tesla. What am I doing? Did I? Oh yeah, I did play Tesla. Hold on. When did I update Tesla? Yeah. Tesla couldn't give me that little scalp there. 301.55. The SPY is struggling. 733.80 on the SPY. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate that. SPX. 114.60. I will watch that level here. So you would be watching 114.50 here. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live, guys. Share the live. I appreciate it. Tell a friend and tell a friend, man. Welcome to the zone, the Zen zone. Pause the noise. Come on. We're a little bit late. We wanted to get inside here, but we got off this top here. We need to blow anywhere inside here. We could get some of that. We'll be doing great on this this meta trade here. We need to get up inside here. Now we gotta watch Microsoft through VWAP, yeah. Got a little bit. See where this pressure is going.
Next, fuel your own.
Look how slow. Wells Fargo.
Faves at wayfair.com.
He doesn't care. Why you hurt?
Nothing there right now. Let me take 150 out of here. Let me take that out. Take 150 out. Chewy Megathon. See what Chewy's doing. Pepsi. TSM. Look at TSM. Tight range on TSM right there. Yeah, SPY. I want to see the SPY. If I would trade the SPY now, I want to see it break that resistance at 733 on SPY for sure.
Thank you, Stephen.
Nice bud on SpaceX. So we need to see if it could get through this level here, right? I see a little gap here, pre-market gap. So we'd have to close this pre-market gap here. We'd have to close this pre-market gap here, bud. So the break 1460, 1565, 1640. So I would have to see with some volume to close the gap and get up here at 1640. Some volume coming in those. Broke the 70. Nice bounce. VWAP. SPY broke. Yep. Let's see if we have this momentum can pull us higher. SPY. Looking good on Meta. Come on. Let's go Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Can't get that. Some resistance here. Tesla. SPY. Yes, sir. Come on, man. We know what we do here. I mean, I'll go again with Microsoft, but Microsoft is just, I like it. I would have to get it early on Microsoft. Get it early inside here. That's 50 cents, right? I could take 50 cents away from that if she give it to me, 50 cents. 96, 50 cents. If the SPY keep doing its thing. I need to see the SPY at 735. I could look into scalp TSM. TSM right there. SpaceX is moving right now, bud. Another treasure. Did you get into SpaceX? Here you go. Gap fill. Gap fill, my friend. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Gap fill. Yes, sir. I hope you were a part of that. I'm hoping you were a part of that, man. Sometimes you just got to take advantage of that. At VWAP, there you go, bud. I mean, we just got to see the momentum is taking us up. There's not the buyers are in control right now. Let's get to 118. I don't know how much you're looking for. That's almost 5 points. We get to 118. There you go. And I would bring my stop loss above the 114.60 until we get higher, then I would bring it to 115.65. That's how I play my trades, you know. I like to feed myself first. Way to go, buddy. Great trade, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, SPY, let's go. We need the SPY at 736. Microsoft is struggling real bad inside this zone here. We tried it once here. We'll try it again for 50 cents. We'll break out. Having a hard time pre-market level here.
Here's what works for free. Your vision insurance benefits in seconds using just your name and zip code. Benefits complete your contacts are on their way. I love that I don't have to call my eye doctor or go in person to the office and fill out a bunch of paperwork just to use my vision insurance. Plus, doing this safely. It's truly that quick and convenient to apply your vision insurance benefits and order your contacts on Money Under Contacts.
We're having some hard time here. So we need to get over this level here. Microsoft. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. My pleasure, man. Another one we could keep our eye on is well, we're just looking for good trades, man. Oh. VWAP rejection, VWAP rejection. Put that on your watch list. SpaceX. Another breakdown, yeah. Close the gap to the downside. Yeah. We could finish with this guy here. Done with this trade for the day. That was a great trade. This was a good trade here. LRCX. Remember, PG got earnings today. Microsoft got earnings and Meta got earnings. LRCX got earnings today as well. So LRCX for the win, man. Great trade. I could be done with it. Let's see what it does at closing of the market here. So I'm gonna be done with that. I want to see what it does at 257, right? But good job today, guys. Way to go, man. Don't forget, tomorrow morning we'll be here at 7 for some momentum stocks. Momentum stocks, if you'd like to be a part of that, we go looking for momentum stocks and try to capitalize off them. Okay? So if you're into momentum stocks, you know, they go up fast and they drop fast. So if you don't know how to trade those, don't mess with it. That's all I gotta say. But if you like what we do here, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, let you know when we go live. All right? Watching this one off the bottom here and also watching the SPY at VWAP, right? You could watch the SPY at VWAP coming inside this area, 736.20. And then I'm going to be watching MU right here because I need a piece of MU on the way back up. All right? Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I appreciate you, and I see you tomorrow. And also looking at Microsoft inside this zone here. All right. So I'm looking at LRCX. I'm looking at Microsoft, and I'm watching MU. Okay. SPYs at VWAP, whoever is trading the SPY. MU, I'm looking for MU towards VWAP. I'm going to break up this market running. Okay. I appreciate you guys. I see you guys tomorrow. Yes, sir. All right, another treasure. Yes, sir. I'll see you then, buddy. Have a wonderful day, man. Happy hump day. Ah.